What is a VPN or a virtual private network? Why use VPN? How does VPN work? How to use a VPN? How to use VPN in browsers? Today, BitBox has come to you with the answer to various such doubts. First of all, what is VPN? Let us see a short introduction about VPN. A virtual private network extends a private network across a public network and enables users to send and receive data across shared or public networks, as if their computing devices were directly connected to the private network. What is the purpose of a VPN? Using a VPN to connect to the Internet allows you to surf websites privately and securely, as well as gain access to restricted websites and overcome censorship blocks. VPNs aren't just for desktops or laptops. You can set up a VPN on your iPhone, iPad or Android phone too. Opera, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, UC Browser, Microsoft Edge etc. are some of the browsers that allows use of the VPN. How can we use VPN in our browsers? Anyone can easily use VPN in a variety of browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge and Opera. VPNs are used in browsers as extensions. So, what is an extension? A browser extension is a small software module for customizing a web browser. Browsers typically allow a variety of extensions, including user interface modifications, ad blocking, and cookie management. Browser plugins are a separate type of module. In other words, a browser extension is something like a plug-in for your browser that adds certain functions and features to it. Extensions can modify the user interface or add some web service functionality to your browser. Now let us see how to install a VPN extension in our browsers. Google Chrome is a very popular and widely used browser. Let's see how to install a VPN extension in Google Chrome. After opening Google Chrome, we can take the More Tools using the option on the right. There you will find a variety of options. In it you can see the extension option. A new window will appear for you. Additionally, you can see a few extensions that are already installed in Chrome. Click on the tab on the left to see the Open Chrome Web Store option. This will allow us to access the Chrome Web Store. There we can browse, download and use various tools. So, now we can go to the search option and search for a VPN extension. We can see a lot of VPN extensions. You can select and install a VPN of your choice. Here, let's take a look at the VPN we have just selected and move on to the installation process. It says, unblock any website and stay secure with Touch VPN. One-click connect to our fast VPN. Unlimited bandwidth and completely free. Unable to access some websites? Worried about unprotected Wi-Fi hotspots? Want to be protected from surveillance? Get the best free VPN for Chrome today. So, let's add this extension to our browser. Select Add Extension. Now you're downloading the extension and it will be automatically installed to our browser. Now, we added VPN extension successfully. Let us enable VPN extension and connect to a VPN network. Now we are successfully connected our network to a VPN network. Here, you can select different locations depending on which location you want to show you are browsing from. For example, if we want to browse from the United States of America, we can select the United States and connect to the VPN network in United States. Let's take a look at YouTube to see if we are browsing the internet from United States. Now let's take a look at the YouTube title on the left. Do you see a short name in the YouTube title that represents the country you are browsing? But if you browse from the United States you will not see it. Now, let's browse from another location. Refresh the page. You can see a shortcut name that represents your current country. With VPN, you can access any blocked sites in your country. For an example, let us try to access the Kick-Ass torrent website. So, it is a success. So, you have seen how to install a VPN extension in Google Chrome browser. You can also install various extensions on browsers such as Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox and Opera, etc. Let us see how to install VPN extension in Microsoft Edge or Explorer. After opening Microsoft Edge, you can click on the three dots at the top right. A tab of various options will open. Let us take the option of extensions. Now, let us click on Get Extensions for Microsoft Edge. If we search for VPN in the search option on the left-hand side, we will see different VPN extensions collection. Here, we can see the Touch VPN that we installed earlier in Google Chrome. But this time, let's install another extension. Let's click on the Get option. Now, let us give permission and add extension. We are now downloading the extension. After that, the extension will be installed automatically. Now we are successfully installed the VPN extension. So, let us try to connect to the VPN network. Before that we have to choose the language. And, we need to log in, or, create, an account. You can select the Create an Account option. Select and agree all the terms and conditions. Then click on the Register button. Now, our account is ready. Let us copy it by clicking on the auth code we have received. Then, click on the Let's Start option. So, now, we are completed the process. Here, we can see different VPN locations. This time we are choosing VPN network from India. We are successfully connected to India. So, you have seen how to install VPN in Microsoft Edge browser. If you also want to know how to install VPN in browsers like Opera and Firefox, let us know through the comment box. You can also ask us your queries regarding VPN through the comment box. If you find the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.